Welcome back. In this short practice, we're going to add or subtract polynomials. I'm going to demonstrate two different ways. One is a horizontal method, one is vertical method. All right, let's solve the problem on your left-hand side. Horizontal method. I'm going to copy down the first one, 5p squared minus 3 plus 2p squared. Add, see here, add and subtract. So we have minus 3p to the third power. All right, I'm going to combine like terms. We see here and here. So we have 7p squared. And then I come here, say, oh, here's negative 3. There's no variable expression that says p. It just to have a constant, so I'm going to put negative 3 here. And this one, did you see this has exponent is 3, so it has highest degree. I'm going to put it right here. So first term, second term, and third term. And here is add. So we have negative 3p cubed plus 7p squared minus 3. This is our final solution for the left side problem. Let's look at the right side. I'm going to use a vertical method this time, which means I'm going to line them up. The first one, a cubed minus 2a squared minus, so minus 3a squared minus plus. Okay, all right, I don't have to write plus here because if I don't write plus, I know I'm adding it. If you want to, you can. The most important thing is you did a sign change correctly. All right, so minus the negative 2, negative 3, that's negative 5. And this is a 1a cubed, okay? All right, so 1 plus 4, that is 5. And check, all is good. Wonderful job. You just finished a short practice how to add or subtract the polynomials. We'll see each other very soon. Happy learning.